By your bike?
Like right here?
Yeah, that's fine. So, tell me the make and model of your bike.
It's a 2008 Yamaha R6S.
Okay. How long have you been riding?
Like over a year now.
Over a year now? Is this your first bike?
Yeah, it's my first bike.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you buy it new, used, or what?
I bought it used from Pennsylvania.
In Pennsylvania? How many miles did it have?
Around like 12,000 miles.
When you bought it? Okay.
when I bought
How many miles have you put since you got it?
In like in a year, I've been putting like 10,000 miles.
Oh, you put it 10,000 miles? So you've been riding a lot. What's your riding style? Like highway, side streets, or what?
I like going highway, like especially toll roads.
Okay.
So yeah.
You like the speed on the highway?
I
Okay.
like,
Did you try some other bike before you settled for this?
Nah, I pretty much learned straight off this. No experience.
No experience?
Yeah.
Okay. And this fit you? You tried it? The lean angle, everything, the styling, it was just what you wanted? You had done some research? Or some of your friends had it, or what?
I don't know any friends that have any bikes, but usually I like the murdered out look, so I just pretty much blacked everything out.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
Have you done anything to the bike since you got it? Or did it come like this already?
I loaded a little bit.
Okay.
But that's pretty much it. Like.
So it was pretty much whoever had the bike before they had done the exhaust work and all those things. So you said, hey, this is a good deal. I don't really need to change anything.
Yeah.
So what's your plan with the bike? You gonna keep it for a while?
Yeah, I plan on getting like more experience.
Okay.
And like hopefully soon enough I upgrade.
What's your plan for the new or a used bike? What is your plan?
I plan on getting like sort of new bike, maybe like 2018. I want to get like maybe like a new R1 or like.
Oh, you want to get an R1? Okay, 2018 R1.
I want to stick to Yamaha.
Okay, you're gonna stick to that?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. Well, very nice bike, you know. And you're riding from where? Is this your first time here or what?
It's my first time. I live in Gaithersburg.
Oh, you do? Okay, you look past. Well, nice meeting you. Look for it like.